In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Meet recording feature. Whether you're conducting a virtual team meeting, hosting a webinar, or simply want to keep a record of a conversation, this feature can be incredibly handy. Let's dive into the details and walk through how to set it up step by step, ensuring you get the most out of your Google Meet sessions. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google Meet homepage. This will be the starting point for our journey today. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with the Google account you intend to use for your meeting. After logging in, you're all set to get started. On the Google Meet landing page, you'll see an option that says New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that button. This will give you several options, but for recording purposes, we'll want to choose Start an Instant Meeting. This is going to allow you to immediately jump into a new session, which is essential for getting the recording feature up and running smoothly. Now that you're inside the meeting, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You should find a three-dot icon in the corner. This represents additional options available during your meeting. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu where you can manage several settings, including what we're interested in today, recording. Within this menu, you'll see an option that says Manage Recording. Select this to prepare your session for record keeping. This step is straightforward. Clicking it brings up another dialog that will allow you to finally start recording. The last step is to click on Start Recording. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm and inform participants that you're about to record the session. It's important to note that all participants should be notified of the recording. Transparency is key to maintaining privacy and respect during your meetings. This recording feature is incredibly beneficial, especially if you want to refer back to details discussed in the meeting at a later date. Remember, once the session ends, Google will process the video and email a link to the recording to you. This makes it easy to share the video with participants who couldn't attend, or to keep the recording for future reference. And there you have it, everything you need to know to effectively use Google Meet's recording feature. With these simple steps, you can ensure that none of the important details from your meetings are lost. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks about using Google products efficiently.